Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Maayong buntag sa tanan akong followers. A blessed Sunday to everyone. Guys, it's another morning. I thank the Lord that for all the blessings He has given me. Today, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. So, mamahaw sa ako. I'm gonna take my breakfast. So akong breakfast is still no rice, no meat, no oily food. So ang ako ang breakfast is bread, egg, and banana. And of course, 1 glass of coffee. This one. Di sa ko mag-meat guys, ug dili sa ko mag-rice para nagaiwas ko namo ta sa